Before starting this video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button on our channel and also press the bell icon beside it as to get quick notifications of our new uploads. What's up guys, welcome to Techno Review. It's finally here and what you're looking at is the official press renders of the OnePlus 6 in the all new mirror black color. We're just a day away from the official release of the OnePlus 6 in London, UK. So this time OnePlus went fully premium just like the iPhone X or the Galaxy S9, having a glass back vertical dual rear camera that takes on the Pixel S9 and the iPhone X camera. So this camera is expected to be much better than its previous generation, and by looking at the back of the phone, the fingerprint scanner is not a circular one like the 5T, but it's somewhat like what we have seen with the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Now with that, we can understand that there won't be a in-display fingerprint scanner as some rumor says. And just like OnePlus 5T, there will be a lightning fast face unlock software based feature, but at the same time it won't be a secured one what we see with the iris scanning on Samsung phones. Now at the bottom it says designed by OnePlus with the OnePlus logo positioned at the same location like the 5T. And also we can see the headphone jack at the bottom, which is kind of fading away in some smartphones nowadays. We can also see the USB Type-C port which supports dash charging, and this time OnePlus says that the OnePlus 6 will feature dash charging version 2, which we will go for a deep charging test once we have our hands on the device. So from the renders we can see a speaker at the bottom and the other at the front beside the front camera. So stereo speakers is actually coming with the OnePlus 6, and by this we can see that OnePlus is hitting all the points which makes a true flagship competing with others in the market. On the side we can see there is a bit of a bump because of the camera, and the buttons are placed in the similar position like the 5T, except the alert slider which is now above the power button on the right, and hopefully it has something to do with the camera for focusing. So you can actually control the focus on the camera with this alert slider. Now the most controversial thing is the display. It is having a 6.2-inch AMOLED display with a notch, and whether you like it or hate it, this is the future. Every company is integrating the notch on their smartphones. Honor, LG, Oppo, Vivo, and eventually the upcoming Google Pixel phone, because of the fact being Android P officially supporting the notch. I personally don't hate the notch, but if you do, then you can hide it from the settings, and being this an AMOLED display, it will hide pretty well, which we will again discuss in the upcoming videos. Now the phone does have a chin at the bottom. It's not a big one but smaller than the 5T. So overall I think the design has been improved a lot, and as we pay a lot of money buying OnePlus devices, this time you will get what you deserve from the amount you're paying. Not only flagship configuration inside the smartphone, but also a premium build design which makes the OnePlus 6 stand out. The leaked pricing are like this, but still we cannot go with this price as there will be a difference in price in the Indian markets. Yes, from the pricing we can see that the price is pretty expensive and also higher than the 5T, but the OnePlus 6 has definitely stepped up a lot comparing it to the previous generation. You're not only getting a phone with the latest processor and high on RAM, but also follows the latest trend with a premium design, and this time you're getting a phone with water and dust resistant. If you follow the Twitter page of OnePlus, they had recently posted a camera comparison of the OnePlus 6 with the Pixel 2, Galaxy S9 and the iPhone X. They didn't reveal which one is the photo taken from the OnePlus, but all of them looks great. So again we'll show you the camera comparison of the OnePlus 6 when the phone actually comes out. OnePlus has also revealed a teaser where it shows the super slow-mo feature coming with the OnePlus 6, and from the commercial we can expect the OnePlus 6 to have a slow-mo at 960 frames per second. Now it's just a day left for the official release of the OnePlus 6. We'll be updating you guys with everything related with the upcoming OnePlus 6. Stay tuned to our channel, and if you have liked this video, smash that like button down below and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.